Today I'm going to show you this cool origami model that I just designed. It is an origami spinner. Oh, I didn't hold on to that good. Okay, there's. Yes, so it's a spinner, and I got the idea from the one that Jeremy Schaefer made. I got the idea from the one that Jeremy Schaefer made. Here it is. Just give me 1 second, I have to find it. Okay, it's the strobe light on page 219. Right there, right here. Right here, origami to astonishing use. No, that's it. Strobe light. Oh, by the way, this is basically the easiest spinner to fold. Okay, there it is. Bye.